Hello, everyone. This is Unveiled Coach again, self-proclaimed king of context, and we are here with part 3 of my mini-series on chemistry and human interaction, how we can better understand it, how we can better quantify it in our lives, and even use it more wisely as opposed to it simply being something that just kind of happens, right? So I'll still be using metaphorical insight from our physical understanding of chemistry, and this one is on the theory of displacement. Now, when it comes to the aspect of displacement in the technical sense, when a compound or an element is introduced to each other, the resulting interaction leaves an aspect of one side being transferred to the other. Right? So there's a difference on both sides. Something is lost on one side, something is gained on the other. And sometimes that is absolutely the case when it comes to how we interact with each other. I know for a fact that I've had instances where I have connected with somebody and it's something that I gathered from the interaction, and it might seem different or quote unquote more than what they gathered from the situation. And sometimes that absolutely happens. You have to understand that people come to your life for several different reasons, right? Sometimes it's just to give something. Sometimes it's for there to be an even exchange. Sometimes it's just for you to give something and for them to receive something, and that makes them a better person. And it doesn't mean that it is necessarily a loss for you. It is something that you had that crosses over to them and allows them to improve their quality of life, their quality of vision, their quality of seeing themselves, or their quality of seeing others, their work ethic, you name it, it's out there, right? What I also believe is that in most cases, there is a double displacement, right? So in the technical sense, it's where two elements, two compounds come together, and each gives off an equal amount of something to the other, and the result is that both are now something completely different. All right, and that's something that you can absolutely aspire to, but you have to have an understanding of yourself, and all of these require having an understanding of yourself, because to understand your signature, to understand your composition, is to understand what it is that you can give and what it is that you can receive. Right? And maybe I'm being too technically minded with this, but feel me on that. All right. If you have any other questions about that, let me know, and we'll definitely talk about it. All right.